taking the veil off in two different ways. Why does Gekisai, why is it designed the way it is? How is it relevant to the rest of the style? Move the right foot to the front, have the right foot in front, or you move the right foot to the right. Moving away from his power punch. All kata, starting with Sanchin, assumes that, not this, body weight forward. Forward to light weight back, body weight back. This is the formal expression of the movement. I move freeze, and then I punch. The problem with doing that is I've already been hit with the second one. Timing, the unveiling, is to understanding where this kata comes from, where the techniques come from, and how it can help us in our training. Sweeping hand, it sweeps and comes down. Make it a bit more of a realistic driller. So I was wanting to hit him, but I can't. I get down, but I becomes very, very natural. 1, 2, 3. Stop pulling your weight forward, he goes back. That's why the elbow doesn't have to be high. 1, boom, push it back, quick. Can also be pushing, kicking, smack, kick the leg back. It's a universal movement. That is why also tensho was introduced. This elbow, same way as it was deflecting my punch.
Straight it.
Begin when you are in contact with your opponent, come to the inside. We did that in the. It's very natural, you don't have to think about it. It's basically a tiger mouth thing. Trigger grip, which you don't really see in Washington. So clavicle, that one. The handle, it's got the elbow and the wrist. Space is his friend, and it's my enemy, right? And Gekisai kata, you go forward, then you go back. Hop in, really sure. Get under on you. Gekisai, attack, pulverize, smash. Switch with a blow, and my right hand's on wide. Why does the left hand go down and right hand go up? It's something to think about. Some of you who've done GKC college probably know the answer to that. Any question about the mind, Eddie? So bring your body weight forward. Kick isn't that feeling. It's commits to the leg. It's forming. When you kick, it's the same thing. You do Gekisai Unveiled. There's a switch. We covered an awful lot in a short amount of time. If there's one thing I want you to go home with, we are home. Gekisai kata isn't something to learn as a beginner and then forget it. For experienced practitioners, as you went all the way through the curriculum and you come back to Gekisai, it helps you to understand your high level kata better. We're going to be here in April for our in-person gashu here in Carlsbad. Arigatou gozaimasu.